Spyderco knives are renowned for pioneering innovative designs and quality craftsmanship in the cutlery world. Emphasizing functionality, their hallmark feature is the trademark round hole for easy one-handed opening, coupled with diverse blade shapes and materials. From everyday carry to specialized outdoor and tactical knives, Spyderco's commitment to ergonomics and performance has earned them a loyal following among knife enthusiasts seeking reliable, high-performance blades for diverse tasks. I included all the link in video description below. Let's dive in. Number 10. Spyderco Dragonfly 2 Sprint Run is an exceptional pocket knife that combines compactness with high-performance features. Boasting a premium ZDP 189 stainless steel blade, this Sprint Run edition delivers outstanding edge retention and exceptional cutting capability for its size. The bidirectional textured FRN, fiberglass reinforced nylon, handle offers a secure grip without adding unnecessary bulk, making it an ideal everyday carry option. Its ergonomic design ensures comfortable and precise handling, while the sturdy backlock mechanism provides reliable blade security during use. With its lightweight build, versatile blade shape, and limited edition appeal, the Spyderco Dragonfly 2 Sprint Run stands as a superb choice for knife enthusiasts seeking top-notch performance in a conveniently sized package. Number 9. Spyderco Yojimbo 2 Specialty Tactical Folding Knife stands as an exemplary specialty tactical folding knife, meticulously crafted for self-defense and tactical applications. Designed by renowned self-defense instructor Michael Janich, this knife features a premium CPMS 30V stainless steel blade, delivering exceptional cutting performance and edge retention. Its distinctive Wharncliffe blade shape with a pronounced point offers superb piercing ability and precise control for detailed cutting tasks. The ergonomic G10 handle provides a secure and comfortable grip, ensuring optimal handling during high-stress situations. Equipped with Spyderco's patented compression lock mechanism, this knife guarantees reliable and swift deployment while maintaining a robust locking mechanism for added safety. With its purposeful design, premium materials, and attention to detail, the Spyderco Yojimbo 2 remains a top choice for professionals and enthusiasts seeking a dependable and versatile tactical folding knife. Number 8. Spyderco SwayBack Premium Folding Knife embodies elegance and functionality, paying homage to traditional slip joint folders while integrating modern features. This distinctive knife showcases a premium CTS XHP stainless steel blade, offering exceptional edge retention and cutting performance. Its gracefully curved handle, constructed with contoured carbon fiber /G10 laminate scales, provides a comfortable and secure grip for precise control during use. The unique SwayBack design of the handle ensures a comfortable fit in the hand, enhancing the knife's ergonomics and aesthetics. Featuring a reliable slip joint mechanism with half-stop functionality, this knife combines classic styling with modern innovation, making it an ideal choice for enthusiasts seeking a sophisticated and practical folding knife for everyday tasks. Number 7. Spyderco Para 3 Lightweight stands out as an outstanding everyday carry folding knife, combining premium features with a lightweight and practical design. Constructed with a tough, corrosion-resistant CTS BD1 and stainless steel blade, this knife ensures excellent edge retention and durability for various cutting tasks. Its ergonomic FRN, fiberglass reinforced nylon, handle offers a comfortable and secure grip while significantly reducing overall weight, making it easy to carry for extended periods. The reliable compression lock mechanism ensures smooth blade deployment and secure locking, enhancing safety during use. With its compact form factor, versatile blade shape, and user-friendly construction, the Spyderco Para 3 Lightweight remains a popular choice among enthusiasts and professionals seeking a dependable and easy-to-carry everyday cutting tool. Number 6. Spyderco Police 4 Lightweight Folding Knife represents a remarkable evolution in tactical folding knives, delivering exceptional performance in a lightweight package. Engineered with a reliable and corrosion-resistant VG10 stainless steel blade, this knife offers superb edge retention and cutting prowess for various tasks. Its ergonomic FRN, fiberglass reinforced nylon, handle provides a comfortable and secure grip, ensuring optimal handling during extended use. The oversized thumb hole allows for swift and ambidextrous deployment, while the sturdy back lock mechanism guarantees secure blade lockup for added safety. Number 5. Spyderco Pacific Salt II is an exceptional companion for marine enthusiasts and outdoor adventurers, designed to excel in harsh, corrosive environments. Built with a resilient LC200 in blade steel, this knife showcases remarkable rust resistance and edge retention, making it ideal for maritime use. Its versatile full-flat ground blade design ensures efficient slicing performance and easy maintenance. The fiberglass reinforced nylon FRN handle offers a secure and comfortable grip even in wet conditions, while the sturdy back lock mechanism ensures reliable blade security during use. With a reversible titanium pocket clip for convenient carry options and a high level of corrosion resistance throughout, the Spyderco Pacific Salt II stands as a dependable and durable cutting tool, specifically crafted to endure the rigors of marine and outdoor adventures. Number 4. Spyderco Tenacious Lightweight is a remarkable folding knife renowned for its durability and ergonomic design. Constructed with premium materials like fiberglass reinforced nylon scales, this knife retains the robustness of its predecessor while significantly reducing its overall weight. Featuring a reliable 8-Kier 13 Movi stainless steel blade with exceptional edge retention, the Tenacious Lightweight ensures precision cutting for various tasks. Its ergonomic handle provides a secure grip, enhancing user control and comfort during prolonged use. This knife incorporates a reliable liner lock mechanism for secure blade deployment and closure. With its lightweight construction and dependable performance, the Spyderco Tenacious Lightweight stands out as a versatile everyday carry tool suitable for diverse cutting needs. Number 3. Spyderco Paramilitary II Signature Folding Knife embodies excellence in craftsmanship and functionality, setting a benchmark in the realm of tactical folders. Boasting a premium CPMS 30V stainless steel blade, this knife delivers exceptional edge retention and cutting performance, catering to various demanding tasks with ease. Its ergonomic G10 handle offers a comfortable and secure grip, ensuring optimal control and stability during use. The patented compression lock mechanism not only reinforces blade strength, but also allows swift, one-handed deployment and safe closure. With a versatile 4-position pocket clip and a robust, corrosion-resistant construction, the Paramilitary II stands as a testament to Spyderco's commitment to quality, making it a top choice among enthusiasts and professionals seeking reliability and precision in their everyday carry gear. Number 2. Spyderco Endura 4 Lightweight Signature Folder Knife epitomizes versatility and durability in an everyday carry blade. Crafted with a robust VG10 stainless steel blade, renowned for its exceptional edge retention and corrosion resistance, this knife ensures reliable cutting performance across various tasks. Its lightweight FRN fiberglass reinforced nylon handle provides a comfortable and secure grip, allowing for prolonged and comfortable use. Equipped with Spyderco's iconic thumb hole for effortless one-handed deployment and a secure back lock mechanism, the Endura 4 guarantees safe and easy operation. With its slim profile, deep carry pocket clip, and resilient construction, this knife exemplifies Spyderco's commitment to quality and functionality, making it an ideal companion for both everyday carry and outdoor adventures. Number 1. Spyderco Atlantic Salt is a specialized tool designed for maritime adventures and water-related tasks, excelling in both performance and corrosion resistance. Crafted with a resilient H1 stainless steel blade, this knife offers exceptional rust-proof properties, making it ideal for use in saltwater environments without compromising cutting ability. Its robust blade design, coupled with a fully serrated edge, ensures efficient rope and fibrous material cutting. The fiberglass reinforced nylon handle provides a secure and comfortable grip, even in wet conditions, while the sturdy back lock mechanism guarantees safe usage during demanding tasks. With its lightweight, buoyant design and versatile usage, the Spyderco Atlantic Salt stands as a reliable companion for sailors, fishermen, and water enthusiasts, delivering unparalleled performance in challenging marine environments.